everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live 10. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Imbewu, the seed, from the 1st to the 5th of February 2021 on Monday. Makhosazana meet up with Nokzola and put pressure on her to betray Zitulele, but Nokzola refuses and throws a drink in Makhosazana's face on Tuesday. Despite Pagate's appeal, Kamadonsela is adamant that she will leave their home and marriage on Wednesday. Maharaj pampers Nirupa, igniting Nirupa's feelings, but Uver insists Maharaj undergoes a psychiatric assessment on Thursday. Sibahle want to hold the product launch at Msamo on Friday. Mazulu encouraged Kamadonza to ask Nkulego to take him to his mother's memorial plaque. Nkulego is irritated when Fikile tells him he has to do it. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. If you want the full episode, please